We have a variety of wildlife that thrive in our public lands. When recreating in Buena Vista and Salida, Colorado, please give the wildlife space by keeping your four-legged friends on a leash and keeping your distance. Please protect our wildlife by not feeding them, packing out all waste, including dog poop, and giving them space. You are, after all, in their home. You will never forget this special place, and you'll want to come back often with family and friends. No matter how you explore Buena Vista and Salida, Colorado, help us care for Colorado by taking the Adventure by Nature pledge to stay on the trail, be respectful, recreate responsibly, and leave no trace. These simple acts help us preserve the beauty and wonder of this special place for generations to come. Take the Adventure by Nature pledge today.